So the rain's finally let up for a bit. I'm going to get myself some lunch here. I'm going to make some cheese and salami and bacon wraps. I'd cooked up some bacon before I left, so I'd want to use that up. But so I'll have some bacon, cheese, salami, mustard, and get those made up and sit and enjoy them. And then I might try casting a couple lines out just from shore to see if I can hook into anything. It's pretty crazy to see these birch trees growing out, or on top of the rock, I guess you'd say. That one's been there for a long time. It's huge. There's another one there too. Makes you wonder how they hang on. It's a massive pine. It's a very old tree. I think there might be some weather blowing in. It's starting to get pretty windy out, and there's some dark clouds coming this way. So I guess we'll see if we get some more rain and a thunderstorm. But anyways, just been hanging out by the camp most of the day. Did some fishing, laid in the tent for a bit, read, watched a movie on Netflix for a while, had some food. But yeah, I'll just see what happens here with this weather, ride it out, and then it'll be dinner time. But yeah, so anyways, once I start making dinner, I'll check up at that point. Huge storm just blew in right now. I closed down the rain fly and just hope everything doesn't get wet. I think the rain seems to be letting up, and it looks like the sun's coming out. Guess most most of the storm's passed now. It's still pretty gray out there, but I guess we'll see if another one blows in. Alright, so the rain's finally let up. I'm going to get some water boiled up to make a quick meal. I'm going to have a Mountain House lasagna and meat sauce. It's a freeze-dried camping meal. I was going to have campfire pizzas, but it's rained most of the day and we had a good thunderstorm and all the wood is wet, so freeze-dried meals it is. Alright, so I had said earlier when life gives you limes, you make margaritas. And then I said, no, you make limeade. But no, that's not right either. When life gives you limes, you dehydrate them to put in with your whiskey when you're backcountry camping. Shout out to Kevin Callan, who I learned that from one of his videos. Anyways, I'm going to enjoy my lasagna and some whiskey and lime. Got my rehydrated Mountain House lasagna with meat sauce. And my whiskey with a bit of water and dehydrated lime. Looks like it's clearing up a bit. The sun's coming out. There's still some clouds in the sky, but hopefully that's it for the night. Anyways, we'll see what happens, and I'm going to enjoy my dinner now. Well, guys, things have finally cleared up. The sun's come out, as you can see in the background. Lake's nice and calm. Just went for a quick swim to clean up and cool down. Anyways, it's been a good day. It's been a relaxing day, but it's been also a wet day. It rained most of the day. A couple good thunderstorms come through. Was gonna have a fire, but everything's a little too wet. But anyways, I'm just gonna hang out before I crawl into the tent. This will probably be my last night. Thinking of just heading out tomorrow. But anyways, I'll touch base with you a little bit later. Right, guys, going to call it a night. Just crawled in the tent. Just starting to get dark now. But anyways, going to just chill for a bit and then head off to sleep. And I'll catch up with you guys in the morning. Have a good sleep. Good night. Good morning, guys. It's about 6:40. Just got up. Just starting to pack up camp. As you can see, tent starting to get broke down. Everything packed up into the bag. Got a few little things I need to pack up still, and then I'll get breakfast and then get on our way. It's a gray day, so hopefully the rain will hold off, but we'll see. But anyways, I'll catch up with you when I'm making breakfast, and then we'll get moving. Alright, so I just boiled up some water quickly, and I'm going to not have a very conventional breakfast, but I'm going to have Mountain House pad thai with chicken. It's quick and easy and will get me going, but yeah, I'll let that sit for about 10 minutes and then I can start eating it. Then I'll finish cleaning up camp and then get on our way. Alright, guys, camp's all packed up, got everything away, and just getting ready to load the canoe. I'm going to head off on the long 5-hour trip back to the takeout at Canoe Lake. But anyways, not sure how much I'll film on the way out. I will a little bit, but I'll catch up with you guys when I get there. The 495 meter portage that takes us back to the windy creek that we came down, that then takes us back into the eastern arm of Joe Lake. So obviously have to double carry this portage again, but it wasn't too bad on the way in. But anyways, almost there, and we'll get this one dealt with and then keep on paddling. down the creek now. Take this all the way out to the east arm of Joe Lake. And I'll have the long paddle down Joe Lake to the portage at the dam that goes into Canoe Lake. Alright, so we're coming out of the creek now, which I believe is called Potter's Creek. Anyways, it's a creek that leads back into the eastern arm of Joe Lake. So now I'm going to have a, I don't know, hour and a half paddle back to the next portage or so. But anyways, it's a nice day for a paddle. It's not too warm, overcast, so the sun's not a killer. But yeah, I'll catch up in a bit. Alright, under the bridge once more we go. We're coming up to the portage around the dam into Canoe Lake, and then I just have Canoe Lake left to paddle, and then I'll be back at the access point. Alright, we're almost back to the takeout. As you can hear, there's motorboats on this lake. It was a great trip. I had a lot of fun. It was a tough trip for my first trip this season. Well, second, I guess. First solo trip. I enjoyed the trip. Had a lot of fun. Learned some things. If I want to do a trip like I had originally planned, I'm going to need to get in shape a little bit better. I need to pack a little lighter too, so that I can maybe just solo carry the portages instead of having a double. But anyways, all in all, it was a good trip. Hope you enjoyed as much as I did, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.